Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and operating system because compatibility matters. Some Samsung TVs run Tizen, not Android. Once done, check settings support for the model code and software version so you know whether Android apps can run. Next, make sure you have a Google account ready. You will need it if sideloading or using a paired Android TV device. Finally, plug in a USB keyboard or use your phone for easier typing. This saves time when entering credentials later. You now choose the access method. Native Play Store is uncommon on Samsung. Most users use an Android TV box or sideload apps. If you pick an external Android TV box, connect it to an HDMI port, select that input, and complete the box's Google sign-in. This gives full Play Store access. If sideloading, enable developer mode on the TV if supported, allow unknown sources, and transfer the Play Store and Google Services APKs via USB. Make sure versions match the TV's architecture and Android base. You finish by opening the Play Store or the installed app loader, then sign in with your Google account and accept permissions. This activates sync and app discovery. Install a small known app like YouTube or a streaming service to confirm downloads and playback. If something fails, clear the app cache, reboot the TV and devices, and verify the APK versions match your system. If issues persist, try a factory reset as a last resort. A key troubleshooting tip: mismatched APK architecture causes most install failures. Confirm ARM versus x86.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.